Hi everyone, happy Tuesday. Hope you're all having a great day. Here in Illinois, it's pretty chilly today. I hope wherever you are, it's a little bit warmer. And the other day I got a package, and as a consultant, as a Norwex consultant, I get to have my own Norwex party. So then when I reach a certain level, I cash out and I'm able to get the same hostess rewards that anyone else would get. So it's really pretty cool. It's a great way to get a lot of free product, okay? So I close my party. Usually it's like a little bit over $1,000 that I close it. And this time it went up to like 1,200 or so because someone placed a really nice big order for me. And so anyway, I'm gonna show you what I was able to get. There are certain products that are part of the hostess rewards that you get no matter what, and then you get spending spree money, okay? So it's not like you get half off of like 2 items or, you know, buy this, get this free or whatever. No, Norwex is like, you know what? I'm gonna give you these products, and then guess what? I, with my $1,200 party, was able to get $190 worth of product, whatever I wanted to get. Okay, I think I went over by like $3, so I had to spend $3, but I essentially got like over $400 worth of product for the $3 for hosting a party. Okay, so the first thing, January's hostess rewards were amazing. Okay, sometimes Norwex will have like special edition items, and this was a month that they did. And their special edition item in January was this the floor mat or entry mat. Sorry, the entry mat is what it's called. But this one is like 1.5 times the size that they normally are. So this is, I'm so excited. Like, I love the one I have, but I like the fact that this one's a little bit bigger. I'm gonna put this one in my garage, and these things, I'm gonna show you up really close. I'm gonna talk a little bit about the products, not a whole lot in detail, because I wanna kind of get through this and show you. But the entry mats, this is our microfiber, so it attracts like everything, okay? If you go back and look at my entry mat video, you'll see how much it collects, okay? And then it's got this like little rougher area here to kind of help scrub the bottom of your shoes off when you come in. So I was super excited about this, and I can't wait to put it in my laundry room, but I wanted to do this video first, okay? So this is the first item that was part of the hostess rewards. I was determined to get this because, again, it's a special edition item and you can't always get it. I'm just gonna leave this here. I have an assistant here. You want to say hi, Allie? Okay, she's not gonna say hi, but my 10-year-old's helping me. All right, so the second item in the hostess rewards was the shower mitt. Okay, so it's got this like rough side good for scrubbing, and then you have this nice soft microfiber side, okay, for like polishing, whatever. Again, this can be used in your shower with just water. So you're done showering, you just want to kind of go over everything really quickly. Does a fantastic job. If you have tile in your shower, you can really, with the scrubby side, kind of get in the grout and everything. It can also be used with any of our products like the bathroom cleaner or the cleaning paste too. But this is nice. You kind of slip your hand in it. No need to touch anything. Just wring it out. It has the back lock. So remember, the back lock is a silver that will help this cloth self-purify itself. Did that make sense? So it'll self-purify. So you go ahead, use it, kind of rinse it off and everything, wring it out, hang it up to dry. All of them have our hook. Hang it up to dry, and within 24 hours it cleans itself and it's good to go again. You just need to launder it every couple times, okay? So again, so you have the entry mat and then the shower mitt, okay? And then another hostess reward was this beautiful window cloth. It's just got some kind of writing on it and everything. But our window cloth is our polishing cloth, okay? This is for your mirrors, your windows, anything you want to get that sparkly finish. It's kind of like a silky material. Also has back lock. All right, and then what best to take care of your Norwex cloths and everything with is your Norwex Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent. This is the powder. All right, this is like a small bag. It's like a half bag. I did get a regular bag too. I'm probably gonna give this one to my mom. But the laundry detergent, remember, has multiple uses. I clean my makeup brushes with it. You could use it diluted with water, 1 teaspoon to 8 ounces of water. It's a multi-purpose cleaner. And actually, when I use it in my high efficiency washer, for a large load, I just need 1 teaspoon of this. For a smaller load, 1/2 teaspoon. So it's super concentrated. It's gonna last me a long time, okay? Then we have our degreaser. Woo! Sorry about that. We have our concentrated, what's the official name? Sorry, heavy duty degreaser concentrate. Okay, so you mix this, and I'm drawing a blank right now, so I'm just gonna read it off the label because I can't remember all these. So you're gonna do you can make 5 16-ounce bottles. Okay, so 5 16-ounce bottles will come out of this one bottle of degreaser. And again, I have a video when I first got this stuff. Amazing. This is going to Mom too because I still have that bottle I got earlier. I still have like 3 more bottles to make out of it. So going to Mom. Wonderful. And then a Hostess reward was a little sample of a bathroom cleaner. All right, and this stuff is wonderful. You could use it concentrated or you can dilute it. So concentrated I use like in my toilet, okay, clean my toilet. And then I might use this in my shower if I have a little bit of like buildup or anything. And again, like I can be in my shower, clean my shower, and this is not gonna, it's no chemicals, so you're not inhaling any fumes, you're not coughing, gagging. It's wonderful. And now with this little one, I don't know, I might do this as a giveaway in my VIP group. So anyone wants to join my VIP group and possibly win a couple of things, let me know. Send me a message. And then also in the Hostess Rewards was a pot scrubber, the little scrubby here. It's got the nice little handle on. This is kind of like those SOS pads, but it doesn't have that weird blue chemical stuff in it. So you just want to make sure you use this damp because otherwise it could scratch things. But if you use it, you just kind of soak it for a few minutes. Use it on your pots and pans, it's not going to scratch, okay? So this is really nice. And then the last thing in my Hostess Rewards is an optic scarf, okay? This is kind of cool. I really like the pattern on this one. This is a mini optic scarf, and this is great for, I love cleaning my glasses. Actually, well, my daughter's handing me her glasses, but I don't know, I might have this as a giveaway too. I don't know, I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or, but anyway, so computer screens, cell phones, sunglasses, glasses, it gives you a wonderful streak-free finish, okay? So again, so here's all my, this is what I got just for hosting this is $1,000 party, okay? You had to have a $1,000 party to get the entry mat, okay? So this is what I got with my $1,000 party from Norwex, okay? Now I'm gonna show you, so I had $190 to spend too, okay? And what I wound up doing was I stacked up on a couple things that I use regularly. So we have our Ultrazyme dishwasher powder, and this again is super concentrated, okay? It's a powder, it's got a little scooper. I use like a half a scoop to a scoop, depending on what I have in my dishwasher. If it's just regular dishes and everything, I can get away with like a half of a scooper. Okay, and the reason why Norwex, you know, with the laundry detergent, with this, why we can say you don't have to use a full scoop all the time is because Norwex is an international company. They try their products with all sorts of different types of water, okay? They're in so many different countries. We happen to have like good water here, right? So that's why you can sometimes, you know, talk to your consultant, talk to me. You don't always have to use exactly what's on the package. You could probably get away with this lasting longer, okay? So again, I did get 2 of these. Like I said, I kind of was stacking up on stuff, okay? Our Lycier Probiotic Whitening Toothpaste. This is great. It's got white charcoal in it. It helps whiten your teeth. There's no, you know, none of the chemicals or anything. And it's got probiotics, which are good for your oral flora, okay? I'm a nurse. We like to keep our mouths clean and keep good bacteria in, right? Okay, not bad bacteria, good bacteria. So I did get 2 of these. Okay, so this will last me a while. My husband and I use that. All right, and I got the body balm. So the body balm was one of my recent products of the week, and it has this like wonderful like winter mint like orange scent. Okay, and it's just like a huge chapstick, and it's good for dry hands, cracked heels. My son has eczema on his hands. I plan on putting on there to see how that works. And it's all scented with natural essential oils. Okay, no chemicals here either. Perfect for this time of year, and this body balm is going to last a long time. And then I did get the Rescue Gel as well. So the Rescue Gel is great. It's actually more of like a peppermint scent, but it's good for sore muscles. It's a roller. All right, it's a roller. Sore muscles after working out, shoveling snow, just tension headaches, you can roll a little bit on. Rescue Gel, so it's going to rescue you got aches and pains. It's going to help you out, okay? Again, essential oils, no chemicals, okay? Okay, so our famous toilet spray. I actually haven't used this one yet, but I live with some boys, and so I thought, you know what, let's try this out, right? I'm going to test it. I'll come back and let you know how it works. So kind of excited about that. Before my son goes in the bathroom, I'm going to put a couple squirts in the toilet bowl. Like I said, I'll keep you posted. Sportzyme. This is one of our enzyme cleaners. So the way the enzyme cleaners work is they break down bacteria, dirt, whatever. They break it down. So it's not like you're like with chemical cleaners, you're applying a chemical. This is just kind of like degrading any dirt, bacteria that's sitting anywhere, okay? So a lot of people use this like if their kids are in sports, like hockey, like their tennis shoes, anything where there's kind of stinky. You can even put like a capful in with your laundry if you have really stinky stuff and you're like, I want to make sure you get rid of an odor. Really good. I like to spray it in my garbage cans too. Every so often I'll take the bag out, spray some of this in here and just let it sit for a little bit and dry. So Sportzyme, great stuff. Then we have our Sperry sponges, okay? And these come 2 in a package, and these are no scratch. You can use these, you can actually use these on a glass top stove top, or you could use them in pots and pans. So they do come 2 in a package. A lot of times people will say they use one for the kitchen, one for like the bathroom. So if you're cleaning those rings out around the tub, either with our bathroom cleaner or paste, whatever, you can use these Sperry sponges. Really nice, okay? I love these. I use these for my dishes. And then I got a, what is this, a travel pack. They're in EnviroCloths. Remember, E for everything, E EnviroCloth. And basically I got these. They're kind of our new colors and everything. But I do these as giveaways in my VIP group too. So going out to a restaurant, things are starting to open up these days. Going out to a restaurant, want to wipe the table, shopping cart. You want to wipe your shopping cart off and not worry about chemicals at all. Picks up to 99% of bacteria off the surfaces, okay? So those are my giveaways. Here's my big bag of detergent, so you can see the small bag versus the big bag, okay? And again, this is the best way to take care of our cloths, but there's no optical fillers, no chlorine, no bleach, no fragrance or dyes, which are most commonly things that cause skin allergies. And what I like to do is I just take our dryer balls and I put a couple drops of essential oils on those and then put them in the dryer, and that's how I get that fresh scent in my laundry, you know. So laundry detergent, wonderful. And then last but not least, as my daughter would say, save the turtles. Actually, Norwex does have a fantastic program, which I'll have to hop on here and talk about one day, saving sea life and limiting plastics and collecting plastics that are thrown in our ocean. Okay, so I did get these are the long straws, and it comes with the straw brush and then a cute little case that you can kind of store them in. So I wash them, let them dry, and then I put them back in here and then stick them in a drawer. Okay, so again, you can see, I'm going to show you. So essentially, this is everything I got from hosting my party, and then this is everything that I spent my $190 on, which actually was Norwex's money. So I paid $3 for all of this, and I didn't even have to pay that. If I would have found something that wiped it out evenly, I could have done that, but I didn't. There were certain things that I wanted to get. So again, Norwex is a very generous company. If you want to host a party with me, please let me know. February is a great month to do it. Have a great night. Bye.